Welcome to my channel. My name is Anya. I'm a business and mindset coach and hypnotherapist. If you're new here, say hello in the comments and subscribe to the channel. I share in here different techniques, modalities, meditations, hypnotic trances that will help you to move through your mental blockages, release what is not serving you anymore, and achieve your next level, whatever it is. This time, I share with you the short power nap. The whole idea is to set aside 10 minutes that will help you to release stress, connect to yourself on a deeper level, boost your creativity and productivity, and restore your energy. We all need it, right? So now, take a deep breath in and breathe out. And let's begin. Because you've set aside these 10 minutes to deeply relax and allow your mind and body to rest deeply, it's a good idea to give yourself this exact suggestion. In 10 minutes, I am going to awaken from this deeply relaxing nap, feeling cheerful, wide awake on every possible level. And when you give yourself a clear suggestion like this, with a sincere intention to begin to relax deeply right now, you might notice that your body begins to respond almost immediately. Yes, those facial muscles begin to soften, perhaps smoothing out your forehead, and the tiny muscles around your eyes relax a little right now. Just allow yourself to feel it. That's it. And your shoulders begin to sink. And when you relax with the intention that you set up, your rest is so much deeper and more restorative. And all you need to do is allow it. Allow it to happen. And you may take a few deeper breaths to begin. Breathing deep into your full lungs. And then exhaling very slowly and smoothly until your lungs are empty and the breath rolls back in by itself. And notice how breathing like this for a couple of minutes, one breath after the other, begins to deepen that relaxation right now. And as you continue to breathe deeply like this for a while longer, you can just quietly notice what is within your present experience, such as any background sounds you can hear. The sensation of whatever you're resting on. Any images drifting through your mind. And you can continue to relax as you notice them. And I would like you to become aware of what an old clock looks like. The standing clock that you could see in old buildings, ticking away each and every second. As you breathe deeply and relax even more. That's it. And you can notice how that old clock looks like. Sturdy wood, the numbers, the hands slowly moving round, and the pendulum inside slowly swings from left to right, from left to right, from left to right. And just start to notice the sound. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And I wonder what it will be like for time to begin to slow down, and for ticking and talking to begin to slow down, and for any thoughts that you're having to slow down, for the pendulum to swing slower and slower, and your internal voice becoming slower and quieter and further away as you set time aside, set thoughts aside, as slowly and deeply as you like. You can begin to comfortably drift, body relaxing deeply, drift into space, into a place that is so good and restoring and healing, drifting off and noticing a space beneath the sky, the warmth of the sun and fresh air and water and grass and trees, place to nourish your spirit, an inner peace, an inner space, your safe space that is uniquely your own, with the sound of trees rustling in the gentle breeze, and pure clean air. When you're breathing deep this good oxygen, and your whole body feeling well, feeling so relaxed, feeling so well, feeling so safe. And in this place, you can just take the strength from the earth as if you had roots going deep into the ground. And feel this grass beneath your feet and your connection to the earth as you breathe in strength, as you breathe in power from the earth. That's it. And simultaneously invite the light from the sky down into you, that you can feel the energy filling you up from the top of your head down. Powerful glowing light coming down from the sky, from the far above, down into the top of your head and down, filling your body, while drawing up strength and resilience from the earth. And feel the power and wonderful good feelings filling your body, tingling, vibrating, glowing deep within, in every cell of your body, filling you up with the power of the light and the strength of the earth. And now you can bring these good feelings with you as you notice time starting again, drifting back to the ticking of that clock, drifting back to that pendulum, beginning to speed up. That's it. To your more everyday thoughts, to the position of your body, and knowing it's time to come back, feeling wide awake, and with a sense of your body and mind smiling from within, smiling from your heart. Just feel your heart smiling all around you, and coming all the way back now. And whenever you're ready, just open your eyes. Welcome back. How do you feel?